Every year, over 30 million men worldwide experience symptoms of enlarged prostate. Could a simple cup of tea make a significant difference? In this video, we'll explore the 7 best teas to shrink an enlarged prostate fast. These powerful herbal and plant-based teas can support better urinary flow, reduce inflammation, and help you regain the comfort and confidence you deserve. But before we dig in, can you do us a favor? Help us spread this life-saving message by hitting the thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to Prostate Shrinker Zone and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our new videos. Stay tuned till the end, because we've curated 3 invaluable gifts that will empower you not just to manage, but possibly prevent enlarged prostate. Let's get started. Number 7. Green tea. Green tea is packed with potent antioxidants called catechins, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and support cell health. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that men who regularly consumed green tea experienced improved urinary flow and a significant reduction in prostate size over 12 weeks. Green tea's EGCG or epigallocatechin gallate content is especially powerful at fighting oxidative stress that contributes to prostate enlargement. For best results, steep loose-leaf green tea in hot, but not boiling, water for 2-3 minutes to preserve its beneficial compounds. Drinking 2 to 3 cups daily can help support prostate health without excess caffeine. Next, a traditional herbal brew, cherished for centuries, that offers a unique blend of minerals and antioxidants for men's wellness. Number 6. Rooibos tea. Rooibos tea, naturally caffeine-free and rich in polyphenols, is renowned for its soothing anti-inflammatory effects. This South African herbal tea contains aspalathin and nothofagin, which help reduce oxidative stress and may ease urinary discomfort associated with BPH. Rooibos is also high in minerals like zinc and magnesium, both essential for prostate health. Its gentle flavor makes it an excellent evening beverage, supporting restful sleep without stimulating the bladder. To maximize benefits, steep rooibos for at least 5 minutes and enjoy plain or with a splash of lemon. Incorporating this tea into your nightly routine can help calm inflammation and promote overall urinary comfort. Now, we'll reveal a robust earthy infusion from the Amazon rainforest holds surprising benefits for men seeking relief from persistent prostate symptoms. Number 5. Pau d'Arco tea. Pau d'Arco, made from the bark of a South American tree, is prized for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Its active compounds, lapachol and beta-lapachone, may help inhibit abnormal cell growth and reduce swelling in the prostate. Pau d'Arco tea is also used to support immune health and combat urinary tract infections, which can worsen prostate symptoms. To prepare, simmer the bark gently for 10 to 15 minutes to extract its beneficial compounds. Drink 1 to 2 cups daily for optimal effects, but avoid overconsumption as it may cause mild stomach upset in sensitive individuals. Always choose high-quality, reputable sources for this herbal tea. A Mediterranean classic with a peppery aroma is next, offering more than just culinary delight, and it's a secret weapon for men's health. Number 4. Nettle root tea. Nettle root tea is a traditional remedy for urinary issues and has been shown to inhibit the conversion of testosterone into dihydrotestosterone or DHT, a hormone linked to prostate growth. Its bioactive compounds help reduce inflammation and ease symptoms like frequent urination and weak streams. Nettle root also supports overall urinary tract health and may relieve discomfort from BPH. For best results, steep dried nettle root for 10 minutes and drink up to twice daily. Combining nettle root tea with other prostate-friendly habits, such as regular exercise and a diet rich in vegetables, can further enhance its benefits. Halfway through our list, it's clear that not all teas are created equal, and the world of prostate health is full of hidden traps and persistent myths. Many products on store shelves flaunt herbal or natural labels, yet are laced with artificial flavors, fillers, or even caffeine that can irritate the bladder and worsen symptoms. The real enemy isn't just the lack of information, but a flood of misleading marketing and outdated advice that convinces men to reach for quick fixes rather than true solutions. Some teas promise miraculous results without a shred of scientific backing, while others mask their lack of potency with bold claims and fancy packaging. To outsmart these pitfalls, empower yourself by reading ingredient lists closely, choosing loose-leaf or single-ingredient teas, and avoiding blends with unrecognizable additives. Brewing your tea at home allows you to control strength and purity, maximizing the benefits while minimizing risks. Exploring traditional preparations and rotating different teas can further support your body's unique needs. Up next, a vibrant infusion known for its striking color will reveal how antioxidants can do more than just brighten your cup. Number 3. Hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea stands out for its rich content of anthocyanins and polyphenols, which have powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. A study in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that hibiscus extract significantly reduced prostate weight and improved urinary symptoms in animal models of BPH. Hibiscus tea may also support healthy blood pressure and cardiovascular function, both important for aging men. Its tart, refreshing taste makes it enjoyable hot or iced. For a prostate-friendly beverage, steep dried hibiscus petals for 5-7 minutes and enjoy unsweetened. Regular consumption can help protect the prostate and promote overall wellness. Next, an ancient root revered in Asia brings a gentle warmth and a long history of men's health support. Number 2. Ginger tea. Ginger tea is celebrated for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which may help reduce prostate swelling and ease discomfort. Ginger's active compounds, such as gingerol and shogyol, inhibit inflammatory pathways that contribute to BPH. Drinking ginger tea may also support circulation and immune function, further benefiting prostate health. To prepare, steep fresh ginger slices in hot water for 10 minutes, or use high-quality ginger tea bags for convenience. Enjoy 1 or 2 cups daily for best results. Pairing ginger tea with a balanced diet and regular movement can amplify its positive effects on the prostate. Before we unveil the number 1 tea, we have some exciting news to share. We're thrilled to offer you 3 extraordinary free gifts designed to support your journey in managing prostate health more effectively. First up, we're giving away our exclusive ebook, 10 Foods to Naturally Shrink Your Prostate. This guide is packed with delicious and effective recipes, specifically designed to reduce prostate swelling and improve your overall health. Next, you'll receive our guide, 7 Vital Vitamins to Shrink Your Prostate. Learn about the key vitamins that play a critical role in maintaining a healthy prostate. And lastly, you'll gain access to a breakthrough video, The Real Root Cause of Enlarged Prostate and What You Should Do Starting Today. It's a piece of knowledge too valuable to miss. To claim these incredible 3 free gifts, simply click the link in the description below. Each of these resources is designed to empower you with the knowledge and tools to take control of your health. Now let's get back to our countdown and unveil the number 1 tea that tops our list of the 7 best teas to shrink an enlarged prostate fast. Number 1. Saw Palmetto Tea. Saw Palmetto Tea stands out as a powerhouse for men seeking natural relief from an enlarged prostate. Derived from the berries of the Serenoa repens plant, saw palmetto is one of the most researched herbal remedies for benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH. A comprehensive review in the Cochrane database of systematic reviews found that saw palmetto extract may improve urinary symptoms and increase flow in men with BPH, providing hope for those looking to avoid medication side effects. The active compounds, plant sterols and fatty acids, are believed to inhibit the conversion of testosterone to DHT, the hormone largely responsible for prostate growth. To prepare, steep dried saw palmetto berries in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the beneficial oils to infuse fully. Drink daily for ongoing support, choosing only high-quality, pure sources free from additives. Saw palmetto tea's mild, earthy flavor makes it easy to incorporate into your routine. Combined with a healthy lifestyle, this ancient remedy can be a game-changer for men's urinary and prostate health. So there you have it, the 7 best teas to shrink an enlarged prostate fast. Each of these herbal and natural teas offers targeted support to help reduce inflammation, promote healthier urinary flow, and ease discomfort, without the need for drastic changes or complicated routines. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Have you tried any of these teas before? Which one are you most curious to add to your daily routine? Share your experience in the comments below. It could help others take proactive steps in their health journey. If this video has provided you with valuable insights or reinforced your current health strategies, please show your support by hitting the like button, subscribing to Prostate Shrinker Zone, and clicking the notification bell so you never miss an update. The Super Thanks feature is also a fantastic way to help us continue bringing you valuable health insights. Before you go, don't forget to check out the 3 exclusive free gifts in the description below. They're packed with tips and recipes designed to help you manage prostate health more effectively. Remember, your health is in your hands. Thank you for watching. Stay informed, stay healthy, and here's to a brighter, healthier you.